Hello everyone, my name is Karen. Welcome to part 1 of my tutorial on how to turn your kids' paintings into colorful text prints using PowerPoint. If you have a pile of your children's artwork saved that you don't know what to do with, this is a great way to give those pieces a second life. But before we actually open up PowerPoint, there are two things we need to do. First, we need to download one of my electronic alphabet stencils. I'll demonstrate how to create these from scratch in part 2 of my tutorial, but for now, let's use something that I have already created. So head on over to mrsjig.com, that's mrsjigg.com, and go to the Resources tab. I'm going to open up the uppercase alphabet version. It might look like a blank image, but the letters are actually transparent, so they're picking up my background color, which in this case is white. I'm going to right-click on the image and save the file to my desktop. Second, we'll also need a scanned copy of your child's artwork. I don't actually have a scanner, so this is a picture that I took on my phone, emailed to myself, and saved to my desktop. I have found that abstract pieces that are vibrant and colorful with lots of paint area coverage work well for this purpose. We are now ready to go into PowerPoint and open a blank presentation. I like to make sure that I'm starting completely from scratch, so let's remove the two text boxes by going to the Home tab, clicking on Layout, and selecting Blank from the drop-down. Next, I'll format my slide dimensions to fit the paper I'll be printing on. Let's go to the Design tab, then Slide Size, and then Custom Slide Size. Enter 11 by 8.5 inches in the width and height boxes. Then click OK. It doesn't matter which one of these options we select since our slide is completely blank. Next, go to the Insert tab and click on Pictures. Go to your desktop, click on the image file of your child's painting. Then Insert. If the image doesn't fill up the slide, stretch it by clicking on it and grabbing one of the corners to expand. I like to caution that this works for abstract images that are only slightly smaller. Otherwise, your file may end up looking fuzzy if you enlarge it too much. It might not be that noticeable on screen, but it may be on print. Next, we'll go back to the Insert tab and click on Pictures again. This time, we'll click on my electronic stencil file and then Insert. What we just did is layer two files on top of each other, the bottom layer being the artwork and the top layer being the stencil. As I mentioned earlier, the letters are transparent, so it's picking up whatever colors are from the bottom layer. We are close to being done, but not quite. I have found that PowerPoint sometimes compresses my graphics when I'm saving as a PDF, so let's try to limit that by changing our save settings. Head over to File, then Save As. For simplicity, I'm going to store this in my desktop. Then select PDF under Save As type. Under Tools, click on Save Options, and then head over to Advanced. In the Image and Size Quality section, check Do Not Compress Images in File. Under Default Resolution, select High Fidelity. Now scroll down to the Print section. And make sure that Print Inserted Objects at Printer Resolution and High Quality are both checked. We're now ready to save. That's it for this tutorial. Please stay tuned for my next video on how to create your own electronic stencils using PowerPoint. Thank you for watching.